Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to autoplay in Netflix. So let's get started. First thing, go to any web browser and search for the netflix.com. So I'm using a PC, but if you are using a mobile, then simply go to the Netflix app. The process is similar. After that, log into your account and simply click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. You can see there is the profile icon available in the upper right corner. Simply tap on it and a drop down menu will appear there. Now from there, simply select account, and in account scroll down and select the edit settings option available there. You can see, simply select it. Now simply scroll down again and you can see playback settings option available inside there. Now tap on it. Now here you can enable or disable autoplay of the next episode in a series. Check or uncheck autoplay next episode in a series on all devices and click save to apply your changes. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.